Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today, we have a lot to talk about in the world of finance, crypto, and stock markets. The markets have been in turmoil, and one of the biggest reasons behind this recent downturn is the tariffs imposed by former U.S. President Donald Trump on the European Union. This move has sent shockwaves through global financial systems, and the cryptocurrency market has taken a significant hit. Bitcoin, in particular, dropped below $88,000, but is now showing signs of recovery. We'll discuss this, along with other major financial updates, including Dogecoin's resurgence, North Korea's alleged involvement in a major crypto hack, upcoming regulations on cryptocurrency, and much more. So, stay tuned until the end to get a complete breakdown of the current state of the markets and what you should be looking out for. Over the past few days, we've witnessed one of the most volatile periods in recent times. Bitcoin, which had been maintaining its position around $88,000, suddenly dropped below this key level, sparking concerns among investors. However, as of this morning, Bitcoin has started to show some strength. We were hovering around $84,000 in the early hours, but now the price has climbed back to just under $87,000. This suggests that buyers are stepping in, and we might be witnessing the early stages of a potential recovery. One of the most notable coins in the market, Dogecoin, has also rebounded. It managed to reclaim the 21 cents mark, which is a significant milestone considering the recent pullback. Many traders and analysts are closely monitoring Dogecoin's performance because it often serves as an indicator of retail investor sentiment. If Dogecoin continues to show strength, it could indicate that the overall market is ready to bounce back. Now, let's take a closer look at what's driving these market movements. One of the biggest catalysts for this market downturn was the decision by Donald Trump to impose tariffs on the European Union. The repercussions of this move were felt across various asset classes. It wasn't just cryptocurrencies that suffered. Tesla's stock also saw a sharp decline. The electric vehicle giant's shares plummeted from $440 to $290 in a matter of days, sending shockwaves through the stock market. Meanwhile, the US dollar experienced a slight drop, though not as severe as other assets. The reason behind this market turmoil is simple: uncertainty. When political leaders introduce aggressive economic policies, investors tend to react with caution. Higher tariffs can disrupt global trade, leading to reduced economic growth. This, in turn, affects stock prices and high-risk assets like cryptocurrencies. While the market is currently experiencing turbulence, there is some good news on the horizon. Institutional adoption of Bitcoin is continuing to grow. In fact, recent data shows that public companies and exchange-traded funds (ETFs) now hold more Bitcoin than individual investors and even governments. This marks a major shift in the financial landscape. Big corporations are increasingly seeing Bitcoin as a viable asset class. With institutions jumping on board, we could see a long-term uptrend despite short-term volatility. Historically, when large firms start accumulating an asset, it paves the way for sustained growth. Another interesting point to note is the current market sentiment. The Fear and Greed Index, a popular metric used to gauge investor sentiment, has been deep in the fear zone. Currently, the index sits close to 20, indicating that many investors are still hesitant to enter the market. Some indicators even suggest the score is as low as 13. However, legendary investor Warren Buffett has famously stated, "Be fearful when others are greedy, and be greedy when others are fearful." This could be an opportune moment for long-term investors to accumulate assets at lower prices before the next big rally. Dogecoin's recent rebound is particularly interesting. According to the TD sequential indicator, Dogecoin has flashed a buy signal on the daily chart. This technical signal suggests that Dogecoin might be gearing up for a significant rally. In fact, some analysts predict that Dogecoin could skyrocket by 2,300%, potentially reaching $5 in the future. While this might seem like an ambitious target, the crypto market is known for its explosive moves. If history repeats itself, Dogecoin could provide significant returns for investors who get in at the right time. Meanwhile, the regulatory landscape for cryptocurrencies is evolving rapidly. The U.S. Congress has set its sights on passing a crypto bill by 2025, which could introduce new rules and compliance requirements for digital assets. Increased regulation could be both a blessing and a curse. On one hand, it could provide much-needed clarity, attracting more institutional investors. On the other hand, excessive regulation could stifle innovation and drive projects away from the U.S. market. In addition, Russian authorities have started seizing crypto mining rigs amid an ongoing power crisis. This is yet another indication that governments worldwide are tightening their grip on the cryptocurrency sector. One of the biggest news stories in the crypto space is the FBI's confirmation that North Korea was behind the $1.5 billion Bybit hack. This hack is one of the largest in cryptocurrency history, raising serious concerns about security in the digital asset space. The scale of this attack has prompted calls for industry-wide security improvements and a crackdown on illicit activities. As the crypto market grows, it's crucial for investors to be aware of the risks associated with digital assets. Security should always be a top priority, and traders should take precautions to protect their funds. So, where do we go from here? While the market is currently experiencing a period of uncertainty, there are reasons to remain optimistic. Institutional adoption of Bitcoin is growing, regulatory clarity is on the horizon, and technical indicators suggest that a recovery might be in the works. For those investing in crypto, patience is key. The market moves in cycles, and long-term investors who hold through the ups and downs tend to see the best results. If you're unsure about the current market conditions, it's always a good idea to step back, do your research, and make informed decisions. With that said, I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think about the recent market developments? Are you bullish or bearish on Bitcoin and Dogecoin? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the crypto market. See you next time.